Hello friends, it's me Pawan Kumar Tiwari. I'm here to explain my project title, which is automatically assembly of product layout. In this project, two members were there. It's me along with my Vaibhav Oja were there, and now I'm here to explain my project. So if you see in this project, there is a title automatically assembly of product layout. As I have already told that in this two members were there, Pawan Kumar Tiwari and Vaibhav Oja. This if you will come to the introduction part, it's just an introduction. Automatically production is typically used for high production of part that required multiple processing operation. Now if you will come to literature review, generally this project were used to increase the production rate. The work done by the automatically system is generally more than the double of the work done by the manual system. What happened now, only 150 engine we are able to produce per day manually, but in this project which we are doing helps to make the project 300 engine per day. So if now we will show the company product. Generally, four type of product company manufacture: MK10 and MK12, MK20, MK25, MK30. But we have done only on the MK10. So we will discuss of the MK10 engine only. So in this project, we have used the mainly two type of scales, that is slot conveyor and PLC software. If we will move on the PLC software, generally two type of brand were used, ABB and Mitsubishi. So now if you see the scope of work, what we have done in this automatically assembly layout have include the following details: slot conveyor. A slot conveyor is made up of part chain drive. Okay, PLC software. Next we will move on the stepper motor. Stepper motor is generally used to move the slot conveyor from workstation to another. So there will be a total 9 stage of workstation in our project, and the total length of the workstation will be 12 meter. If you will see, the distance between one workstation to another will be 1.25. Generally there are various type of conveyor system: belt conveyor, slot conveyor, screw conveyor system, chain conveyor, vibrating conveyor, and pneumatic conveyor. But in our project only slot conveyor have been used. Now this is a basic diagram of slot conveyor. As you will see, this slot conveyor which is moving from the first workstation to another. Okay, this slot conveyor is moved by here. It is stepper motor. The stepper motor is being placed here. It will help to move the slot conveyor, and this slot conveyor is moving by the PLC. So this is a basic diagram of slot conveyor in which we are seeing the slot conveyor moving from one workstation to another by using the stepper motor. This is a chain drive which helps to connect the two slot conveyor. Okay. Now we will move on the use of conveyor. What is the conveyor? Conveyor are generally used to move the goods from one production line to another, and this is a major component of a PLC. Now what are the details of equipment we have used? Slot conveyor with fixture 6 meter long with drive 2 quantity number of ECS display and pneumatic airline and its trolley track with support for assembly conveyor of engine test. And now common PLC panel, digital display, VFD hand, switches, cabling, etc. These are the few equipment we have used. Now if we'll make the comparison between the manual and automatic, so there will be a quite difference between them. In manual there is 6 stage, automatic 8 stage. 150 engine we were able to produce earlier, now 300 engine. Cycle time for one engine each stage was 3 minutes, now it is 1.5. Total 22 people were working in a single shift, now there are 13 people. So there are many advantages over there. So what is the advantage? It increased the production rate, labor cost is reduced, least time consumption, wastage of material removed, production cost is less, chances of getting accident is reduced. Thank you friend, and this is my